integrate everything together. Our gears should actually help us move rather than us moving our gear to adapt to our lives.
Thank you so much, guys, for joining the adventure.
Yes.
And may we have more stories and experience to share. Thank you guys for celebrating 10 years with us, and may we have more to come.